What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. If you guys seen our last video, I'm sure you guessed it. We're finally doing another wide body kit. Doing a GT3 inspired kit is something that we've been wanting to do for a long time, and we're finally doing it. Behind me, you have Flossman Auto Design's GTR wide body kit for the G82 M4. This kit is absolutely menacing, and we cannot wait to show you guys it on our M4. Another huge announcement is that we'll be debuting this car at SEMA Show, which is less than 2 weeks away. So talking about crunch time, we have 2 weeks to build one of the craziest cars we ever built to date. We're going to be debuting this year with UPPF. So huge shout out to the UPPF team for allowing us to showcase with them. Make sure to check out all their social media links and their website because they have some amazing products. So yeah, guys, enough of me talking. Let's show you guys exactly what comes with the kit. So yeah, guys, let's show you exactly what comes with the kit. We actually have everything laid out right here, and we'll start off with the front end. So as you guys can see here, we have the front bumper. This is probably one of the most aggressive, insanely massive front bumpers I've seen for a wide body kit. If you guys see, the front lip is actually built into the kit, so there's no additional front lip that would need to be put on. It's actually molded into the kit, and the seam is right here. Crazy, guys. I've never seen anything like this. Also, you guys can see we have the two front canards that go on in the front end, which is going to make this front bumper even more aggressive. So moving back, you'll notice that we have the front fenders laid out right here. It's going to be two-piece front fenders. These are actually replacements, so there's no cutting needed. These front fenders will actually replace our stock front fenders, and they have these cool vents that are built in. And then moving alongside, you'll see we have the side skirts right here. These are insanely huge. They're big. I'm not too sure if you guys can see. I don't think the camera picks it up, but this is absolutely huge. The extension that comes out, full carbon fiber extension that's built in, and then this part will mount into the car like the stock ones. Moving on, you'll see we have a massive aggressive hood. I think we're going to be the first M4 with this style hood. Super aggressive vents. You see we have the full carbon fiber on the dome in the middle. Kind of reminds me of the G82 M4 style. Also comes with a full replacement trunk. It's the same style trunk as the stock one, but it's just built a little more stronger because it needs to withstand this huge wing that's behind it. So it's going to be a full carbon fiber swan neck wing, which is absolutely massive. All right, guys, the craziest part. The rear diffuser is absolutely nuts. Eder, come check this out, bro, and just show them how big this is. Look at these fins. I mean, it's bigger than my hand. It's absolutely menacing. It's crazy. I cannot wait to see the rear end with this. It's going to look absolutely nuts. And we have to somehow fit it under this rear bumper. And yeah, guys, we have a short amount of time to really put all these pieces together. And then, yeah, so this is the rear bumper. Nothing crazy. It's just the same style as the stock one, just with extended flares. And then you have the piece to go for the air ducts to go right through here, which I think is cool. And like I said, guys, in the next video, we'll show you guys more in depth exactly how the kit looks and more with all the pieces together, and it'll start to make a lot more sense. The last piece, guys, that we want to show you is the rear quarter panel pieces. These are full replacements, but as you guys can see, they'll still need to be molded on. They're actually not riveted or anything. They need to literally be sanded into the body, so it's going to pretty much accentuate the stock body and make it look a lot more aggressive. This one is obviously the gas cap side. But yeah, guys, this is what comes with the full kit. In the next video, we'll get more in depth and show you guys the full kit together, hopefully on the car when we do a test fit. Hopefully everything is perfect so it doesn't prolong anything because like I said, SEMA is less than 2 weeks away and it's crunch time. All right, guys, so that's gonna end it for today's video. Comment down below what you guys think of this kit. Would you do it on your G82 M4? Like I mentioned, SEMA Show is less than 2 weeks away. We got a lot of work to do. So yeah, guys, we gotta get going. We'll see you guys on the next one.